Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please jump down and hit that subscribe button and that bell. Today is going to be a pretty quick, short, simple video. We learned a hidden trick over the weekend that we never thought about. That is awesome with having a phone farm. And we wanted to talk about the routine that we've got set up now, that we've switched over to. Some of this may change, but it's going to be pretty close, and we're going to stick with our rule of 5 for the most part. We have some testing going on, so we'll explain that here real quick. Alright guys, here's a quick overview of the farm. We still need to get it moved to the studio. These 5 right here are running Yo TV. The top 3 and those bottom 2 are running Yo Rewards. These 4 are running Yo Watch. And these 2 phones here are not running, and we'll get back to that in a second. These 5 right here are running Yo Watch, and these 3 are actually from you guys, are running Cash Magnet. We've got them started up going, and so they're still testing. Now we got 2 phones over here that are not running. One's acting up, and this one we learned is a pretty cool hidden feature of having a phone farm. As you can tell, this phone actually needs to be finished formatting. The wife's phone quit working on her, so we grabbed a phone off the phone farm. Yeah, I took away from her money for a second, but they got her up and running to get to work and whatnot until we got her phone taken care of. Ended up not to be a big problem that we didn't have to buy a new one, but this is a pretty cool advantage of having a phone farm. You have something die. If you get ones from carriers that you have, or your carrier, we use Straight Talk, so boom, we can just hook it up and run. So we just make sure we grab a Straight Talk phone and go. Really simple. That's really it. That's the new app routine. We are going to put GIF Loop on 10 of these phones and run the videos. I've been getting a ton of messages from GIF Loop saying that they are not getting enough people to watch their videos. So if you don't have GIF Loop and you're not watching their videos, you might think about installing that and start using it. Okay guys, and I didn't mention what we were doing with the 10 Yo Watch. That is the test that I was talking about. We seen where eCash Society had mentioned that he wasn't getting the 5 limit, so we thought we would test that because we were getting that you could only have 5 devices. The 10, it is not coming up with that at this point any longer. We are going to move those other 5 phones to something else, most likely Perk apps. Oh, and we do have 2 apps running Vigil that I forgot to mention on there as well. That is the quick and short video for today. I appreciate you watching, and remember, the day's what you make it. Let's make it a good one.